Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update. In this video, I am going to share about huge profitable project. Its name is Glass Token. Glass Token, glow acne free skin, even hospitality plus meme token. Glass Glow Acne Free Skin, 2 tokens in one, designed for everyone on a skincare journey, especially those taking acne, while also embracing the lighter side of life through memes and community engagement. So guys, this project pre-sale is live now, so guys you can buy now. So we discuss how to buy. You can check here, Glass pre-sale stage 5, buy Glass now. Current price you can check here, $0.02. Next price $0.0275. USD rise you can check here. Token sold you can see this. So guys, first of all you can connect your wallet. You can click here and connect following wallet: Phantom, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Best Wallet. So guys, you can select any wallet. Then guys, you can select Network, USDT, USDC, Ethereum. So I select USDT. Then you can enter your USDT amount. For example, I enter USDT amount of 1000. Then you can receive Glass token. Now you can check here. And next guy, you can scroll down and see this more detail. You can check here, benefits of Glass. Utility with Glass, every step in your skincare journey becomes more rewarding. This includes dermatologist consultations and AI-driven skincare routines, discount on acne-specific products and skincare solutions, subscription services, rewards and engagement. Glass is not just about getting the right product, it's about keeping you engaged, motivated and exciting about your skincare journey. Here's how we do that. Routine, competition rewards, community rewards, educational incentives. And next guy, you can check your gamification elements. Who said skincare cannot be fun? With Glass, we are adding a little excitement to your skincare routine. 30 days to glow up, acne treatment challenges, badges for progress, refer reward. You can check your benefits. You can see this another benefits ecosystem. The Glass ecosystem is designed to be a simple, engaging and rewarding at every step. Here's how it's worked for you. Onboarding, token earning, token spending, token reward, and research and development. With Glass, you have a say in the direction we go. Our platform allows users to vote on new acne treatment products, services and even features of the platform itself. You can check here item. Next guy, you can check here community driven. Skincare world is always evolving and your feedback is key to keeping things fresh and effective. That's why we have introduced a token-based feedback system. You can provide suggestions, share experiences or let us know what's working in your skincare routine. You can check here item. Next guy, you can go to this project. Talk to me, Stoda token, supply 10 billion token. You can check here Glass token contact address. You can see this reward and community 40%, ecosystem 30%, initial public sale 10%, operational 20%. And next you can check here Glow Acne Free Skin roadmap. Number 1, foundation and development, concept refinement, white paper finalization, smart contract development, community engagement, launch, strategic partnership. 2, token launch and early adoption, public token launch, AI acne analysis beta, glow up challenges, meme engagement campaign. Number 3, ecosystem expansion, skincare marketplace launch, subscription services, NFT skincare progress, referral and engagement rewards. And next guy, you can scroll down and see this another detail of this project. You can check here. You can see this frequently asked question: what is Glass token and its core mission? What makes Glass unique? How do I buy Glass token? When do I get my token? What is token contract address? How do I buy Glass token with credit card? Where can I sell my Glass token? How can I contact Glass dev team? You can check here all questions. You can see this. And next we go to this project white paper. So guys, you can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can see this white paper open. You can check here detail about this project. You can see this executed summary details. Who should be excited about Glass? Glass was created with a wide audience in mind, including acne treatment users, skincare enthusiasts, meme-loving crypto adopters. You can check here, Nazca, you can check here market overview, the acne and skincare industry. You can check here, Nazca, you can check here challenges in acne treatment and skincare. Despite the growth of the skincare industry, many individuals face significant challenges when it's come to acne treatment. Lack of adherence to routines. You can check here financial and time barriers, stigma and emotional impact. You can check here Nazca, you can check here how blockchain and memes innovate skincare. You can check a blockchain for transparency, reward, and personalization, memes to build community and drive engagement, Glass concept and vision, why Glass, mission statement. You can check here out, you can see this, the dual nature of Glass. You can check here token use cases, utility features of this project. You can check here rewards and engagement, gamification elements. You can see this marketplace and crowdsourcing. You can check here all detail about this project. And next we back to the home page. And next guys, you can join this project on following social media platform, Telegram, Twitter. So we go to this project official Twitter page. So guys, you can check here Glass token official Twitter page is here. Taking care of skin is the idea behind Glass. You can check here detail about this project. You can like and comment this post and retweet this post. You can check here. And next we back to the home page. And next guys, we go to this project Telegram group chat community. So guys, you can click here and see this glow acne free skin Telegram group chat community is open. You can check here 4,438 members that join this group. So guys, you can join this group. And next we back to the home page. So guys, this website video is finished. If you are like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update.